Two things decide what a technician costs you: the hours he can be booked for and the way he's paid. Both sit on one card. Open him from team management. His week comes first. The hours online booking and the AI agent are allowed to fill. Outside them, nothing gets booked. If he's away for a stretch, close those dates once. Then his service area, the zip codes he covers. Leave it empty and he takes everything. Fill it in, and dispatch stops offering him drives across the county. Now the money. Two modes: an hourly rate against track time or a percentage of the margin on the jobs he closes. Pick hourly and you just type the rate. Percentage is where it gets useful because it doesn't have to be one number. Payroll takes tiers: a minimum average margin, and the percentage that applies once he's above it. Add a step for every rate you actually pay, and the system matches each completed job to the right one. That's the company default. And if one technician is on his own numbers, the same table sits on his card as an override. His tiers win, everybody else stays on the default. After that, it's arithmetic. Open reports for the year and filter to one technician. Revenue, margin, parts cost, and payroll, what he brought in and what he's owed, on the same row. Set it once, and payroll stops being a spreadsheet. Taskrol.com.